ជំរាបសួរក៏ដូចជាសួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ Study Buddy កាលពីវីដេអូលើកមុនគឺយើងធ្វើតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង IELTS Listening Section 1 ទៅអត់ប៉ុន្តែនៅក្នុងនេះគឺវាប្រភេទ Note Completion ហើយឥឡូវហ្នឹងគឺខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើ IELTS Listening 1 ដដែលប៉ុន្តែវាអាចមានប្រភេទអីផ្សេងនៅក្នុងហ្នឹងដោយអ្នកនរគ្នាបានឃើញអញ្ចឹងនេះអានេះក៏ Note Completion ដែរគ្រាន់តែថានេះវាមាន Table Completion មួយទៀតអញ្ចឹងណាអញ្ចឹងយើងនឹងធ្វើ IELTS section 1 ហ្នឹងប៉ុន្តែយើងនឹង explore different kinds of exercise ឬក៏ task ដែលយើងប្រហែលជានឹងជួបនៅពេលដែលអ្នកនរគ្នាទៅប្រឡង IELTS មែនតើណាហ្នឹងហើយអញ្ចឹងកុំឲ្យខាតពេលយូរដូចខ្ញុំបញ្ជាក់អ្នកនរគ្នាអញ្ចឹងមានសភៅឬក៏กระดาษហើយនឹងខ្មៅដៃប៊ិចមក note ស្ដាប់ជាមួយខ្ញុំធ្វើជាមួយគ្នាណាតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង IELTS section 1 listening ណាហើយបញ្ជាក់ដែរ Study Buddy ក៏មានថ្នាក់រៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេសដែរបើសិនជាចង់រៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេសដើម្បីយកទៅប្រើប្រាស់បានអាចឆាតមកកាន់ Study Buddy តោះឥឡូវយើងកុំឲ្យខាតពេលយូរមកស្ដាប់ទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយយើងនឹងធ្វើទាំងអស់គ្នាចង់ដឹងថា IELTS section 1 ហ្នឹងយ៉ាងម៉េចដែរណាតោះ
Test 1
អូបញ្ជាក់មុននឹងស្ដាប់មើល instruction ណា instruction ដូចកន្លែងនេះគេប្រាប់ថាno more than 2 words and or a number អាចទៅសេ2ពាក្យបានហើយបើចង់ថែមលេខមួយទៀតបានតែហាមលើសនឹងណាតោះអញ្ចឹងមកស្ដាប់ទាំងអស់គ្នា
You will hear a number of different recordings and you will have to answer questions on what you hear. There will be time for you to read the instructions and questions and you will have a chance to check your work. All the recordings will be played once only. The test is in 4 sections. At the end of the test, you will be given 10 minutes to transfer your answers to an answer sheet. Now turn to Section 1. Section 1. You will hear a man phoning to inquire about hotel information. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 4.
Instruction Example ខ្ញុំ pause កន្លែងហ្នឹងគឺខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យអ្នកនរគ្នាមើលតាមការពិតខ្ញុំនឹងវិភាគឲ្យអ្នកនរគ្នាស្ដាប់នេះគឺតកតងជាមួយនឹងសីតុណ្ហភាពណាហើយនេះប្រហែលជាអង្សាសេអញ្ចឹងលេខ1ហ្នឹងអាចជាចំនួនដូចថា25 30អង្សាសេអញ្ចឹងទៅណាចុះលេខ2 normally transfer take about អានេះតកតងមួយការធ្វើដំណើរទៅ airport ប្រហែលជាចំនួន duration អាចជានាទីឬក៏ម៉ោងអញ្ចឹងទៅណាហើយលេខ3គឺ on suite facility and អីគេណាអីគេនៅក្នុងហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងនេះវាអាចជា noun ជាកន្លែងឬក៏អីគេហើយទី4 three standard អីគេណាអញ្ចឹងយើងនឹងមកមើលអាហ្នឹងទាំងអស់គ្នាអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំ resume listening ប្រហែលជាគេប្រាប់ឧទាហរណ៍បន្តិចដែរ
You will see that there is an example that has been done for you. On this occasion only, the conversation relating to this will be played first.
Good afternoon. You're through to reception at the Island Hotel in Crete. How may I help you today?
Yes, hello there. I'm hoping to book a double room for my wife and myself for about 2 weeks, from the 25th of April of this year. Firstly, could you tell me whether it's particularly hot during this time?
The type of room the man requires is a double one, so double has been written in the space. Now we shall begin. You should answer the questions as you listen because you will not hear the recording a second time. Listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 4.
Good afternoon. You're through to reception at the Island Hotel in Crete. How may I help you today?
Yes, hello there. I'm hoping to book a double room for my wife and myself for about 2 weeks, from the 25th of April of this year. Firstly, could you tell me whether it's particularly hot during this time?
Yes, of course, sir. During late April and early May, the daytime temperature shouldn't exceed 19 degrees Celsius. But the weather has been rather erratic and difficult to predict in recent years, so I am unable to say for certain.
Okay, that sounds good. My wife doesn't like going outside when it's very hot. I haven't booked flights yet, but I must say that I'm unfamiliar with Crete and its transport system. Does the hotel provide an airport shuttle service?
Yes, sir. We provide a complimentary airport pickup service for all our guests. It takes about 40 minutes to get here from the airport, but it's at least 60 minutes at rush hours. And you will be provided with a fully air-conditioned shuttle bus.
Okay, excellent. In that case, do you have any rooms available for the dates I gave you?
I shall have a look on the system now for you, sir. Bear with me just a moment. Yes, sir. I can see now that we have several rooms available. Would you prefer a garden view or a sea view?
Well, ideally I would like a sea view room with a balcony, but of course that depends on the difference in price.
Not to worry, sir. All of our standard double rooms have ensuite facilities and a balcony. If you would like one of our sea view rooms, there is a premium of €60 per night.
Okay, so could you tell me the total nightly rate for a standard double room with a sea view?
Yes, of course, sir. For the spring months, our rate is €216 per night. For 14 nights altogether, this will come to €3,024.
Perfect. I also read on your website that the hotel has gym and spa facilities. Are there any other facilities on offer?
Yes, we have a large outdoor infinity pool overlooking the ocean, with luxury sunbeds and a poolside bar. We also have 3 full-size tennis courts, where we run a popular doubles tournament, with the winner receiving 2 all-inclusive spa day vouchers.
Goodness, I shall have to brush up on my tennis skills.
Before you hear the rest of the conversation, you have some time to look at questions 5 to 10. Now listen and answer questions 5 to 10.
Are there any other activities organised by the hotel that we can partake in? It's just that it's our wedding anniversary on the 30th of June, and I would like to provide my wife with a perfect romantic getaway.
I can assure you, sir, that your wife won't be disappointed. Ours is a 5-star resort, which is renowned for its luxury and beauty. In terms of activities, the hotel provides thrice-weekly entertainment. On Tuesdays, guests will take a minibus and partake in learning to cook succulent fish dishes with our Michelin-starred chef Enrique. The class will take place in a beautiful valley deep in the Cretan hills, where guests will be treated to an intimate piano performance by our in-house concert pianist Pedro. On Wednesdays, a select number of guests will be fortunate enough to explore the mountains by helicopter, before being transported to a tropical Cretan garden by shuttle bus. Finally, on Thursdays, after a fancy dinner, we provide a spectacular fireworks display, which guests can view from the comfort of a cable car.
Oh, wow! That all sounds absolutely wonderful. I shall book the room now, and then I need to look at flights so as not to become extortionate. Would you like to take my details now or later?
That is the end of section 1. You now have half a minute to check your answers.
អូខេដោយអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបានមើលអញ្ចឹងនេះគឺវាមាន2 section បាន two types of listening task វាមាន note completion ផង table completion ផងហើយ table completion ដូចវារៀងលឿនមែនតើណាវារៀងលឿនមែនតើ ចឹងបើសិនជាយើងដាក់អត់តន់ទេកន្លែងតែអត់ចង់អារម្មណ៍ទេប្រកាសជានឹង lose ប៉ុន្តែឥឡូវហ្នឹងខ្ញុំបានបំពេញហើយយើងមក check មើលថាវាមាន keyword ឬក៏ spelling អីកើតឡើង error អីកន្លែងណាត្រូវផ្លាស់ប្ដូរអីយើង check មើលហើយណាហ្នឹងហើយអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំគិតថា it's okay for now គ្រាន់តែរៀង question ថា fireworks it should be as with as or no ណាប៉ុន្តែ it's okay តែឥឡូវទៅសិនអូខេត្រូវបាន9លើ10ទៀតហើយ which one is not right 14 minutes មិន14ទេមិន 16 ឬក៏មិនសុំមើលបន្តិចសិនណា40 oh my goodness 40 minutes អូខេមិន14ទេណា40ចេះទៅត្រូវដាក់14ដល់ត្រូវឯងអរគុណអូខេអញ្ចឹងដូចខ្ញុំនិយាយអញ្ចឹងវាពេលខ្លះស្ដាប់ច្រឡំអីអញ្ចឹងទៅប៉ុន្តែ that's okay it's just a practice test study buddy is not perfect 2 ដងហើយបានតែ9ទាំង2ដងណាហើយ it's okay ហ្នឹងហើយអញ្ចឹងដូចអ្នកនរគ្នាបានឃើញអញ្ចឹងគឺយើងព្យាយាមធ្វើហើយនេះគឺជា section 1ទេនៅមាន section 2 3 and 4ទៀតហត់តែពិបាកជាងនឹងទៀតណាអរគុណច្រើនហើយបើសិនជាអ្នកនរគ្នាចង់រៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេសចង់ប្រើប្រាស់ភាសាអង់គ្លេសអាចឆានមកកាន់ study buddy បានយើងនឹងជួបគ្នានៅវីដេអូក្រោយ goodbye